I love the way she do them dishes. Yeah. I love the way she do them dishes. Know I be cooking Bobby, that's my new addition. If you ain't right beside me, get up out my kitchen.
See, I'm good at numbers, and she'd be a good addition. So when I say she do them dishes, that mean that she had business. She ain't got a filter, so she gon' tell you how it is. Might piss you off, but peace next day like daddy. What the problem is? Come on, down the ride, my ride or die, and that put a turn like water tie. Go ham, man, and lose track of time. Next thing you know, clack. Done, been there per usual. Back at it until it's my funeral. If you ain't with it, please get out the kitchen.
And I love the way she do them dishes. I love the way she do them dishes. Know I be cooking Bobby, that's my new addition. If you ain't right beside me, get up out my kitchen.
In the kitchen like my granny with that baking soda. Hit her box, told her, baby, won't you please come over? Called my chauffeur, that's that Uber talk. You in the presence of a boss, so stop that small talk. She got her bags together.